Hey guys, it's Aiden with Master Kamren. Hey guys, it's Aiden with Kamren. Welcome to our show, right? Right. So today we're opening mysterious box, right? Yeah. And let's see what's inside after the video. So let's see what we have. Now, Daddy's bringing the box over. Yeah. So it's from Prime. So let's open this up. But wait, don't open it. Let's try to open this with full hands. So we need some dangerous stuff like scissors. And a Zapdo knife. Yeah. So be careful. So my dad is here. So let my dad do it. And if you're trying to make an unboxing and you're just a kid, ask your mom or dad to do it for you. I just noticed it said Switch Prime. Switch Prime? So let's see what it is. Ooh, what is this? So right now, it's the Nintendo. It's the Nintendo Labo. And then duck. Oh shoot! I said dog like quack quack. Get out of here, man! Yeah, he says that a lot. It's Nintendo Labo, and it's for sitting up. So let's open it. So I can't play with it. No, it's fine. It's fine, yeah. Yeah, I can play with it. So let's see. It's for Nintendo Switch. Like a keyboard. And there's cool stuff. So let's see what it is. And you can play ping pong. So let's see what it is, right? Yeah. So it's opening right here. Oh, wait. Oh, there is tape. It is a tape monster. Guys, I'm sorry, but I ripped it. I used my bare hands. So let's do this. Yeah, I'm not sure if you completed the mission. I think so. Yeah, you probably did. So let's open this baby. Whoa! Look inside. Ooh, what is this? The Nintendo Lab Toy-Con. And I am opening the fish stuff. Oh. So this is all of the play mats, and these are super cool because it has, oopsies, this one it has a lot. Yeah, this one has tons. Okay, so I'm opening this. Get out of here. Good shot. So, what do we have? We have this this game cartridge, and you can put it in your Nintendo, and it will show you how to make these. Medium blue circles, big blue circles, and small blue circles. What is in here? Hey, so guys, it looks like it has a lot of stuff, a lot of cardboard, like a lot of stuff that you had to build. But the important thing is to use the Nintendo Switch. That's the thing that you really need to use. So we'll be right back. We'll make that video where we play some games and build some Labo stuff. See ya. We're so scared. Hey guys, it's Aiden with Kamren. Welcome to our show. Right, I'm a robot. So together we're a Welcome to our show.